If you're ready to learn how to dance, I'm ready to teach you. In this video, I will be teaching you 3 simple moves that you can do right now. Afro moves to be specific. And next time you have to go to a party or a friend's wedding, whatever, you go bust down the move. Alright, so let me show you. Okay, first things first, you know the rules, and if you don't, these are the rules. You need to have a space that is free so you don't hit yourself or wound yourself. Why would you hit yourself? Wound yourself or wound anyone close to you. Secondly, this video is mirrored, so this is your right hand and this is your left hand, this is your right leg, this is your left leg, yada yada yada. So if you want to learn these moves, you have to copy me and follow me. Whatever you see me do, you do. Do not try to flip it with your mind. You get it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is focus on our waist down. For those of us that know, we focus on the legs first. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All right, so you kick your right leg. I want you to kick like you're shaking off someone or something, holding on or on your leg. So you kick. But when you are kicking, in order for you to kick well, you have to balance your body that direction. So you look like this. Yeah, because if you do, you see how weird I look here. And that's why some of us look weird when we dance, but not me and you. We look good. Cell 5. So we'll kick. Now we're going to drop this leg. 1, right? And 2. Bring your right leg. And 3. I'm doing this move standing. Ideally, we do it sitting on the air. But because we're learning, we'll just keep going like that. Now, we're going to kick our left leg the same way. So kick 1, 2, 3, bah. Again, kick and 1 and 2 and 3. Go, kick and 1 and 2 and 3. Count with me. Kick 1, 2, 3. Also, when you count, you can use words and phrases that make you remember what we do. For instance, if I was doing this for myself, which we can also adopt right now, I will do kick, drop, 1, 2, and kick, drop, 1, 2. I think I like that count better. You like it too? I will assume you said yes. Cell 5 again. What's wrong with me? I'm playing too much in this video. So kick 1, 2, 3, kick, drop 1, 2, kick, drop 1, 2. Let's start with our right again. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, drop, 1 and 2. Kick, drop, 1 and 2. Awesome. Now sit on the air a little. Yeah, well, like this. We'll try the kick, drop 1 and 2 again, and then we'll move on to our upper body. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, drop, 1 and 2, and kick and drop, 1 and 2. Awesome. So for the upper body, the interesting thing is you have the freedom to play with it as much as you want. Ideally, we have 2 styles or two variations, let me put it that way. One where as your legs are moving side to side or moving your whole body side to side, your upper body is either facing front or facing side. Or we can add a third variation, facing front and side. This is it. Kick. 1, 2. See, my hands are moving because I said we can play with it. Now, this is side. And this is side. If we mix it, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I look good, didn't I? All right, so for now, we are just going to focus on facing front. So, okay, we can do 2. We're going to do 4 times. The first 2 is facing front, and the second 2 is side to side. So let's do it slowly. Remember, your hands can swing, your hands can be one place, your upper body can shimmy, 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 shimmy. Yeah. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, drop, 1, 2, and kick, drop, 1, 2. Kick to the side, 1, 2, and kick to the side, and 1 and 2. Let's try with the music. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on. Hey. Let's go again. Kick and 1 and 2. All right, awesome. Let's go to the next move. Now, this move is simple, but if you do not pay attention, it can mess with your mind. But it is simple. So I want you to really pay attention to what I'm about to teach you now. Wow, it feels like I'm about to drop a nugget. So basically, we'll start with our right leg. Yeah. I want you to plant your left leg firm to the floor. If possible, for now, transfer the weight of your whole body to this place. Lean on it. So while your left leg is still pointing to me, and mine is pointing to you, I want you to step back like this. 1, 2. Do you hear me? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Now, every time you go back, I want you to sit on the air. And when you come back, I want you to stand. For now, just do that. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Again. 7, go. And 1, 2. One more time. 7, go. And 1, 2. Beautiful. So we'll do it now. And I want you, when you do your 1, this is 1. I want your both hands to swing to the other side. So as you step to the right, both hands swing to the left. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 7, go. And 1 and 2. Come on. 7, go. 1, 2. One more. 7, go. And 1, 2. Beautiful. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5. Slowly. 6. And 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Give yourself a round of applause. Woo! So 5. So, I don't know what's going on today. I'm overly playful. If you like this part of me, let me know. But I don't understand why I'm so hyper in this video. I can't explain. So, yeah. Now, to complete this move, we have a move where we have to move, but it's true. So we have a move where we step forward, come back. Basically, imagine there is a box, or there are a series of boxes in front of you, which is one at 2 o'clock, the other at, is it 11 or 10? I don't know. Yeah, you get the clock. So what we're going to do is we step here, we bring it back, and we bring it back. Now, every time we step to whichever direction, we are going to let our hips lead. Shakira stuff. I don't know if I'll upload this video because I don't get it. Okay. Be serious, Divine. Be serious. So, let's step side to side. 5, 6. Just follow me slowly. Start to your right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you don't have to go that far. You can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. If the hands are confusing you, you can keep them behind and practice with your legs alone. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2. One more. Go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the hands basically is when your right leg is forward, your left hand moves. When your left leg is forward, your right hand. When your right leg, your left hand. When your left leg, your right hand. Sometimes it can mess with us, but I want you to understand that when you walk, you don't walk like this. You walk like this. Anyway, some people are exceptional at what they do. So, but just use that to remind yourself, right to left, left to right. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this helps with the upper body dancing when we're moving. So we'll mix both of them together right now. We'll do it very slow, then we'll do it fast, then we'll try with the music, and we'll move on to the next step. So 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the pace. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try with the music. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go. And come on now. Hey. Come on now. Let's go. Hey. 2, 3, and hey. You're doing great. You've been doing great. This is the part of the video where I remind you or let you know that I am ready to be your dance coach. If you are looking forward to working with me, you want me to hold you by the hand, regardless of where you are in the world, and make sure I personally, as your personal dance coach, help you get better, feel comfortable in your skin, improve while you dance, hit me up. So you can just reach out to me on Instagram so we can have a conversation. Let's know how I can help you and if I can help you and what materials would be needed to make the helping work. Okay, so down to the last move. Yeah. So this move, we'll basically do it on the spot, but we are going plus sign. So just remember that plus sign. So while sitting on the air, we focus on our legs first. So we go right, bounce, bounce, bounce. Follow me. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Awesome. Now this is the tempo and the bounce we are going to go with. So we have 1, 2, 3. Switch your leg. 1, 2, 3. To the right. 1, 2, 3, and to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then we go right again. 1, and 2, and 3. Switch the leg. 1, 2, 3. To the right. 1, 2, 3. To the left. And 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Now the moves for the hand is we take our left hand, like I told you earlier. When your right leg is in front, or when your right leg is in use, you use your left hand. Ideally, naturally, that is how the body flows. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. No, you don't have to cover your face. Just play with it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'll do the move slow, very slow, and I want you to follow me. We'll do it slow twice, fast once. We'll try with the music, then we'll mix all the moves together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Feels like we're gymming. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Now let's do it. I want you to know that this one we're about to do, you can freestyle with your hands, because the goal is not just to teach you moves, but to teach you how to make moves or create moves or manifest moves, whatever. But we are moving. So let's go again. 5, freestyle with your hands, but just use them deliberately. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try it with the music. Okay, are you ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. And let's go now. 2, to the side, 3, and go. And 4, again to the front. And 1, and go. And 2, to the right. 3, 4. Hey. All right, so now we are going to mix the moves together. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick. Side, side, side. Kick. Side, side. Let's go. Now 1. Now 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1. Now 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. Let's go. One more time. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. Let me know if you can snap your fingers. I can snap my right. I can't snap my left. I've been trying for years. Anyway, let's try with the music. So we're going to do it slow and then we'll do it fast pace. You did great, you did good, you did awesome. Self-5. This video is here for you to practice as much as you want, but I still have a gift for you. If you're still interested, which I know you are, click the video on the screen, watch the next tutorial, have fun, move around with me. Let's go.